हा 2 दगडाचा जॉइंट आहे ना, हा 2 दगडाचा जॉइंट आहे, त्याच्या सेंटरला हा दगड बसला पाहिजे.
बरोबर.
बरोबर आहे. छोटे मोठे
Building units put together meticulously by Shramiks with building blocks and mortar make up the enclosures we inhabit. These masonry enclosures may be of varying materials: brick, concrete blocks, mud blocks, laterite, basalt, and so on. There could be a plethora of innovations in the form of different ways of laying, various types of bonds, jalis, or traceries, shapes, and forms, all contributing to design aesthetics, climate response, and spatial experience of the built environment. The wealth of masonry techniques is passed on between generations and stored as tacit knowledge that the Shramiks carry with them that we could learn and imbibe from. In the upcoming set of videos, we will learn about laterite masonry techniques from Shramik-Ramu Chauhan, glimpses of brick masonry techniques, and further experiments in brick masonry to learn about rat trap bond walls, and lessons in innovations in brick arches and terracotta filler slabs from Shramik Amit Srivastav. Tune in to the next video to learn masonry techniques from the hands that built.